So welcome back, everyone. I wanted to jump on and share some really exciting news that I received today. I've been invited to go on our local news station, Fox 2 News, which here in St. Louis, Missouri is Channel 11, and share budget-friendly home decor ideas. So next Tuesday, August the 28th, 2018, sometime between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, I will be going on live to share those home decorating tips. So I'm going to include a link in my video description of where you can go to live stream the video and watch it live. Because I know so many of my subscribers are from all around the world and all of you are in different time zones. And so you may not have the ability, unless you are local, to watch it in real time live. And so the news station has provided me with a link where you can go and live stream that video and watch it in real time. So be sure and check out my video description. August the 28th, which is next Tuesday, between the hours of 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, I will be going on live to share some home decorating tips on a budget. And I'm so excited and over the top thrilled about the opportunity to go and do this on a local level. And I also want to afford all of you the ability to be able to watch it as well. So please be sure and check that out. Visit my links in my video description to all my social media sites as well. I appreciate all of your support, and I'm so excited that I get to take all of you along on the journey of me going on our local news station to share wonderful home decorating tips on a budget.